In this video, I will show you how to fix the Google account message your account will be deleted after a certain time. First, sign in to your Google account using your email ID and password. After logging in, you will see two options to resolve this issue. The first option is to confirm your age by selecting Confirm My Age. The second option is to download your data from this email account before it is deleted. To fix the issue, select the first option, Confirm My Age, and then click the Next button. A pop-up message will appear asking, "Are you 13 or older?" Click Yes, I'm 13 plus. You will be redirected to another page. Enter your correct date of birth. On the next page, you will see two options to verify your age. The first option is to use your credit card. The second option is to use your ID card. In this video, we will select the ID card option. You can use one of the available identity documents shown on the screen. Read the instructions carefully, then click the Next button. Select and upload the front side image of your national identity card. You may be asked to enter your date of birth again. Enter the correct date of birth. After that, a message will appear showing your actual date of birth. Check it carefully and click Yes to confirm. Your ID will now be under review. Normally, the review process may take a few minutes or a few hours. Thanks for watching.